How must social sciences' traditional qualitative research method, the form of holistic participant observation known as ethnography and euphemized as deep, deep hanging out, be recalibrated for a moment, driven by the study of complex phenomena like globalization and mass mediation? Things ethnography was decidedly not concocted to study. And what kind of authority might the field even claim to possess in an era of hyper-scientific assumptions about human genomics and statistical analyses of massive data sets, today's holy grails of social curiosity? Ethnography is not irrelevant to serious questions about our social world, but it must convince us all to revisit some of our most basic assumptions about observation itself, about what it means to see sociality, in order to speak back to the contemporary fixations on the totalizing forms of knowledge production today. Dreams of ourselves as ghosts haunted by our own machines, or merely and mistakenly little more than those machines. Thank you.